Welcome to Elementary AI, the channel where we make tech and AI super simple. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I built a simple automation project in just minutes, without writing a single line of code, collect feedback using a Google form, and then automatically send a summary chart of the responses by email. I used a few powerful tools: Google Forms, Google Sheets, ChatGPT, and Gmail. Just smart tools working together. Step 1. Create the form. Open Google Forms and create a simple form with 2 fields: name and rating, copy the form link and test it by submitting a few responses. At this point, you'll notice the data isn't saved anywhere yet. To store responses in a sheet, go to the Responses tab, click the Link Sheets icon. A new Google Sheet will be created and the test data will now be saved automatically. Step 2. In Google Form, enter test data. We'll switch to Google Sheets. You'll see the form responses getting updated in real time. Now let's create a summary table. This is a one-time setup. The table will have the numerical rating 1 to 5, a label excellent, good, white, etc., the count of each rating using the CountIF function. Since this is a small task, I've entered the rating labels manually. If you'd prefer using formulas to generate them dynamically, check the video description. I've included those too. Step 3. Create the chart. We'll now create a pie chart based on the summary table. Make sure to insert the chart in a new sheet. Select appropriate data range and chart type, rename the chart sheet. We'll use this name in the code later. Once you enter or update test data, both the summary and the chart update automatically. Everything is synced, neat and simple. Step 4. Automate with ChatGPT. Now comes the fun part. To extract the chart and send it via email, we do need a bit of code. But don't worry. This is a no-code tutorial, so we'll let ChatGPT generate the code for us. Here's the exact prompt I used. Feel free to copy it. I'll also leave it in the description. In just seconds, ChatGPT gave me a complete Google Apps script. Step 5. Add code to Google Sheets. To add the script, go to your Google Sheet Click extensions. App Script, paste the code from ChatGPT into the editor window. Copy the URL of the chart from which we can extract sheet ID. You'll need to update 2 key parameters in the script: the sheet ID, which is found in the URL, between /d/and/edit, the email address where the chart should be sent. You can also personalize the email subject, body, and signature. Step 6. Deploy and test. Now, it's time to deploy the script. Click Deploy. Enter the new deployment. Follow the on-screen steps and grant necessary permissions to test the script. Open the execution log. Click the Run button. Check your inbox. The pie chart is sent as an embedded image in the email. Step 7. Automate the schedule. Let's now schedule the script to run automatically every day at 5 p.m. From the left-hand menu, select Triggers, click Add Trigger, set the function, frequency, and time as shown on screen. And that's it. Your no-code automation is live. Now, share the Google Form link with your group through email, WhatsApp, or any channel you prefer. Quick recap. Here's how it all comes together. Students fill out a Google Form. Responses are stored in a Google Sheet. A chart is created to visualize the ratings. A ChatGPT generated script sends the chart via Gmail, no code. No stress, just smart tools working together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.